We would like to thank CJ Aviation, maker of the fuel pumps that are going to drive this bit of Oshkosh thunderstorms at night. CJ Aviation smoke pumps get the job done.
Thank you, Charlie Duffy.
Now we have the thunder, we have the lightning, and we have the storm clouds. We are going to get drenched for the Saturday night show, the Saturday night extravaganza. The team is outstanding in their cockpits. Let's again give the team a big round of applause for Twilight Time. In their afterburning T6, Mark Henley, Brian Reagan, Steve Gustafson, and Gene McNeely, the multiple award Aero Shell Aerobatic team. All right, now with Twilight Time over with, we have Pure Darkness and one outstanding move.